Do you want to know how you can access Google Assistant from your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access Google Assistant on your phone. You can see the search bar over here. If you tap on it, you can see the search bar will open up. But if you want to open Google Assistant, what you need to do is tap on this microphone button over here. As you type on the microphone button, the Google Assistant will open up. So after you tap it, you must give some commands. So be ready to give a command. Now I want to give a command like, can you open YouTube? You can see that this might not work, so I'll go ahead and try it again. Open YouTube. You can see that it has suggested me the YouTube site, so if I click on it, my YouTube will open up. Now if I want to search for anything, I'll tap on something like, I'll tap on this microphone option, and then I'll tap on Happy Mother's Day quote. So after I've typed it, you can see some of the quotes are available over here. So this is how you access Google Assistant on your phone. All you need to do is tap on the microphone button on your search bar and you can give commands to Google Assistants. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.